Hey guys, it's JQ Crafty. Welcome to Product Focus Friday for November. I can't believe it's November already. Let me tell you that. So for November, we picked Echo Park. Here's my little Echo Park. I don't have a ton of collections of Echo Park currently, but I have a couple scrap room kits that were Echo Park from back in the day. So probably 2011, 2013. Let's see, what's this one say? This one's 2010. Oh, so I have a couple of them. So I was just going to show you what I have. And then we'll get into the layout that we're going to do for this week. And remember, we also picked Knacks. Knacks is what the other thing we're going to focus on. So we're going to focus on Echo Park this month and focus on Knacks. And we picked doilies. So I'm going to do a layout with doilies. And I was watching Janet Fritz yesterday, and she was doing a fun, like, the layered stacked look. So I think I'm going to do that and then add a doily. So that's kind of what I'm thinking. But anyway, I wanted to show you the Echo Park collections I have. So the scrap room kits always came with 2 pieces of cardstock, which, some craft cardstock. I wish I had more of this in my stash right now, but I have it in a lot of kits, so. And then, so this one came with craft cardstock. I'm gonna leave that in there. And then it always comes with some pattern, at least 3 pattern papers, usually 3, and then some embellishments. And sometimes it's random embellishments, and sometimes it's stuff like from the collection. They cut it apart. Like, for example, this was the sticker sheet, and they clearly I think it was like half of it was for, and you got random. So I love how they do this, because then it's like you get a piece of the collection. So I got sticker sheet, this cute arrow ephemera, layered ephemera, these cute little wood veneer birds, and a bunch of wood veneer cameras, which is awesome. Great to go in the stash. And looks like this was probably a cut-apart sheet. So I got 2 cards from the cut-apart sheet. Now this collection was Everyday Eclectic Echo Park by Allison Kreft. So a lot of fun. Yeah, this was 2012. So a lot of fun colors. And then a vintage vibe. Because, yeah, look at that. That's like, a lot of people did this for a little bit. And, yeah, so this one I got 4 pattern papers. So, I don't remember them all getting 4 pattern papers. I think it's usually just 3. So, yeah, you got part of the sticker sheet, some wood veneer, looks like a piece of ephemera, and then, which it's just, yeah, I don't know if it's supposed to stick and just supposed to be dimensional. Oh, it's magnetic. What? Oh, that's interesting. I didn't know that. The magnets have lost their stick, but that's very interesting. So it's like a magnetic. Huh. I might want to use those magnets for something else. I might take them off. Well, that's weird. I didn't even know that was in there. Well, that's cool. I didn't know that was a thing. Instead of like a paper clip, use the magnet. And then interactive, because then you can move it. I don't know. Interesting. Look at the things I learned when I'm showing you. So this is one of the Echo Park kits I'm going to be playing with this month, which is really fun. I actually think I have a plan, I think, to use this depending on what knick-knack we choose. And then this one is Sweet Summertime. So I got 2, and it's usually basil cardstock, I think. 2 of this bright blue color. And the kits usually came with like a list of what you all got. I would throw those away. So yeah, this one's from 2010. So this is Sweet Summertime. So you got the full sticker sheet. And then a few pattern papers. We got this one, Sunny Spots, Fun Bright. Yeah, see, this one only came with 3. I wonder if that other one, so sometimes you can go onto their, so this was like for their flavors of the month kit. Sometimes you can go on to their just store and purchase past kits, or they would just make limited time kits of, like, I'm assuming just extras of certain collections. So I think that's what that other one was. It was maybe an extra kit. But anyway, so this was Sweet Summertime, so we'll play with that one. So we'll do some summer photos, even though it's November. And then, this is what I'm going to work on today. Got all my doilies out. I also got Mom's I Am Mom, and this was 2018, so this one's relatively new. I believe I picked this up in their shop, and it came with 2 white cardstock, a dark blue cardstock, Yeah, and this is basil. Yep. I don't think it says the color on it. Which I'll leave this out. And then this one came with the full sticker sheet. And then these beautiful papers. And I remember when this collection came out. Disney Flowers, Mom Boss. And I love that, you know, the papers themselves don't lend to like having to be very mom themed, which is fun, but the stickers are. But yeah, I am actually going to use this and scrapbook my brother-in-law. I think, I don't know if I'm going to do, should I do both the pictures or just this one? It was kind of based on, what was I going to do based on like stickers? You know, I'm not sure which one. So this is a picture of my brother-in-law taking his 2 daughters for a walk. So I thought it would be funny to do the mom squad. Or even this one of him falling asleep. My sister had to go run errands and he was nervous about having both the girls because their baby girl was quite young. Her face is not covered up, by the way, in this photo, so do not be alarmed. But he was very worried about taking care of both of them. It would have been like the first time of having him just by himself with the girls. She had to run and go, I think so, a chiropractor appointment or something. And he was worried. Well, she came home. The other one's up taking a nap, and these 2 are passed out on the couch, and so is the dog. So it was really cute and really funny. So I thought it would be kind of funny to put a lot of these elements with that story, because he's part of the mom squad. He's doing a good job. So I thought about doing that or this one, or I could put both of them on there. Yeah, I gotta figure that out. But anyway, so that's Echo Park. I've got my giant doilies out. I think I'm gonna use the largest one in here. I don't remember where I got these, but I think it was like 32 doilies. I want to say it was like Amazon or something. I just got a giant variety pack. And they're all white. They're just different sizes. They're very thin. I think I'll just get the doily out real quick. So that way we have that. All right, and then, yeah, let's get started. All right, so first thing I'm doing is just going through the papers, and I'm going to figure out, well, here, my photos, like, I have not trimmed them or anything, and when I lined them up, there was a gap. So they were, like, cut wherever I got them print crooked, right? If I can't make things crooked already, like, why are things coming to me crooked? I completely make everything crooked, so why is it coming to me already crooked? And people wonder why I make things crooked, because nothing comes to me straight. So I end up basically scraplifting Janet. I'm going to leave her link down below to her video that she had yesterday, so you guys can see her layout too. But I ended up scraplifting her, and then I'm kind of thinking, you know what, maybe I should do that this month. Scraplift some of the people I watch a lot. I mean, that's not, if I only do it for Product Focus Friday, that's only going to be 4, and I definitely admire and get inspiration from way more than 4 people. So maybe I'll try and do some other layouts too. But, yeah, but anyway, I admire, it's Galaxy Girl is her channel. I love what she does. And, something about her voice, she's gonna, if she listens to this, she's gonna laugh at me. She's very soothing to listen to, and she reminds me kind of, and I make this come in the most endearing place, like when she talks, she reminds me a lot of my mom. So, like the comfort of her voice reminds me a lot of a mom. Something about it, I don't know. It's strange. I'm weird. You guys can totally unfollow me. But anyway, what I did is I basically laid all the papers down and then just lightly tacked them, and I skipped all the gluing for you guys, and then I trimmed them all off. And I'm doing the same thing then with the scraps over here on the right hand side, except for I realized I want my lines on that lined paper for the heart one to go the same way. So I'm realizing here, oh, I can't use the scrap because they go the wrong way. So I have to take the bigger piece. But I tack them down, trim all that off, and then I go ahead and glue everything. Now, Janet will take, like, on that big left-hand side, she went and gutted those back papers, which you totally can do. That's all preference. Like, and if this was the collection that I was, like, trying to stretch, I maybe would have done that, but not so caring right now about this. I just want to use it. So saying that, like, the left-hand side is thick because it is 3 papers thick. And then I have my photos I'm going to pop up on foam over there as well. So the left-hand side is thick. But anyway, so you just stack them up, tack them down, and then trim off the excess and then glue everything else down. That's how I do it. It seems to work. It's kind of hard to cut it straight, but then after you tack it all down the rest of the way, you can take it to your trimmer too and cut off all the excess if there's stuff hanging off. So then I'm just going through and I'm adding some stickers from the sticker sheet. Now I had ripped that doily down there on the upper left or upper right. And so right now I'm moving it because I didn't like the way it looked down there, but I think I just needed to adjust the way I had it. I do change it again because I realized, oh, that's a nice spot for journaling. It's a little lined section. I could have used a bigger area, actually. I probably should have just, like, wrote it in white down at the bottom or something, but I just wanted a little journaling. I didn't need to write a book. I could have, but I didn't. And I just journaled. I'm going to journal about how awesome of a partner, and I think I've said this in the beginning of the video, and I'll say it at the end, too, so redundant. My brother-in-law is a great dad, and he is awesome with his girls, and he always thinks he can't do things, and he can. He's doing great. Yeah, anyway, they've had an eventful 2020, let's just say. So yeah, so I am even more so than just the average Joe who's dealing with this stuff in the world. So I'm just decorating with the stickers, and I found that butterfly, popped some wings up on foam. I'm going to put a butterfly down on the bottom left. I ended up sprinkling and a butterfly up on the upper left. I don't know if you can see it. The glare from my light is horrendous up there today. It's probably because it's, I don't know. And then I'm going to add a little floral down the cluster where I have the little hexagon because I decided that's got to be my title. So there you go. I mean, it's relatively simple. I'll be coming here live again shortly. I hope you guys like how I format these Product Focus Fridays. Let me know if you think I should change something, but here we go. Okay, so not a ton of embellishing happened. I only have, like I said, the sticker sheet for that little mini collection. But at the same time, with the design of the paper layers and the doily and how it worked out, I think it's fine. It's not overcrowded, and I really like that it's very florally, and it's about my niece's dad. And I just kind of journaled here that he wasn't sure if he could handle it, and then she came home and he was off. And now these two pictures are taken completely 2 different days, but I really liked the photo and just showing him just being a dad, like, out there doing things. So and I just think it's funny that this is a very mom themed collection. I wanted to put hashtag Mom Squad on here as well. I did not. But I just figured, like, You Were Amazing could kind of be the title, and then You Are My Everything, because he's such a great partner to my sister. So I figured that kind of worked. I sprinkled some butterflies in places. I used the shoes just because they're running, camera because photos. Yeah, I had a lot of fun with this. This was kind of fun. And I thought it literally made me giggle the whole time because I'm like, my brother-in-law and this girly stuff, but it's fine. So there, we used the doily. Let's draw for what our knick-knack is going to be next week. I'm going to put the doily back in my little Ziploc baggie. And let's see. There's 4 others? I was like, I had one. So next week we're going to do buttons. Okie dokie. So we will do buttons and more Echo Park. So that's what we're going to play with next week. Yeah, I have no idea what I'm going to do. So that'll be interesting. And yeah, we'll see you then. Thanks for watching, you guys. Tune in next Friday. Otherwise, also keep an eye out for my Confessions of a Paper Addict design cut files design team layouts. I'm posting videos for all of those as well, so keep an eye out for those. But thanks again for watching, you guys. Subscribe if you haven't. If you are a subscriber, I love you. And stay tuned. On the 17th, I will have a giveaway where there will be a secret word in my video, and you just have to comment down below with the secret word. So, yeah, make sure you watch the video and you comment down below on the 17th of November. Stay tuned. I'm giving away. I will say what I'm giving away that day. How about that? I have something that I ordered to personally use and then decided I would just give it away instead. So I have opened it and just kind of looked at it. I actually haven't used it. So just that is a kind of a preface for it. So you will find out more on the 17th, but make sure you tune in on November 17th. I'll be doing a giveaway for reaching my goal of 300 subbies, and I think I'm almost at 350 now, so that's even better. That's awesome. Keep it coming. I love it. I love having the comments too. Yeah, thanks again for watching, you guys. Before I keep rambling on forever. Bye.